Timor-Leste and Malaysia have strengthened their bilateral ties through two landmark agreements aimed at deepening cooperation in telecommunications, information, and media development. The first agreement on cooperation in the field of telecommunications was signed by His Excellency Mr. Miguel Marques Gonçalves Manitelu, Minister of Transport and Communications of Timor-Leste, and His Excellency Datuk Ahmad Fahmi bin Mohamad Fadzil, Malaysia's Minister of Communications. Meanwhile, a second MOU on cooperation in information and media development was signed by His Excellency Mr. Expedito Loro Diaz Ximenez, Secretary of State for Social Communications of Timor-Leste, alongside Minister Ahmad Fahmi. Under the Telecommunications MOU, both governments will enhance cooperation in areas such as digital transformation and innovation in media, including online news, education, and cultural platforms, content exchange between the national news agencies Tatoli of Timor-Leste and Bernama of Malaysia, broadcast collaboration between RTTL-EP and Radio Television Malaysia, human resource development and training programs, and joint efforts to combat misinformation and fake news in partnership with Malaysia's Communications and Multimedia Commission.
So we will begin by first and foremost assisting to establish contacts. The Minister of Transport and Communications is very interested in aspects of social media. I have also sent a team from the Malaysian Telecommunications Regulator, MCMC, to have discussions with their counterpart, ANC, and to see how we can strengthen collaboration. For social communications, we're very interested to see how one of my agencies, which is the Information and Broadcasting Training Center, can work very closely, not only with the ministry, but also with journalists in Timor-Leste. We are able to either send some officers from our institute to assist with some training, media training in Timor-Leste, or to invite journalists to Malaysia. So we look forward to having more of you here.
We gathered not just to sign a document, but to forge a stronger bridge to friendship and cooperation between our two nations. We in Timor-Leste deeply value the existing and strong friendly relationship with Malaysia, and we are especially grateful for Malaysia's steadfast support for our nation journey towards ASEAN integration.
We are certain that this collaboration will help to improve the human and technical capacity of Timor-Leste media industry and provide new avenues for collaboration among our media professionals as well at the institutional level. On behalf of the Secretary of State for Social Communications, allow me to express our sincere gratitude to the Minister of Communications of Malaysia for the hospitality and spirit cooperation demonstrated over these years.
Each country will also designate focal agencies to coordinate activities. Malaysia's Division of International and Policy Affairs under its Ministry of Communications and Timor-Leste's Office of Planning Policy and Cooperation under the Ministry of Transport and Communications. Timor-Leste Secretary of State Expedito Ximenez described the agreements as an important step in modernizing the Timorese media sector and opening doors for technical partnerships and professional training with Malaysian institutions. Throughout these two MOUs, Malaysia and Timor-Leste reaffirmed their shared commitment to digital cooperation, laying the foundation for a stronger, more connected, and forward-looking partnership in the era of regional digital transformation. Minister Ahmad Fahmi reaffirmed Malaysia's commitment to supporting regional partners in strengthening media and literacy and embracing new digital technologies. From Kuala Lumpur, Digna Serang, Anita Suarez, Tatoli.